Hi all, let's see OOPS in C Sharp. OOPS stands for Object Oriented Programming. Object Oriented Programming is a programming model or structure where programs are organized around objects. That is, OOPS uses objects and their interactions to design applications. OOPS allows decomposition of a problem into number of entities called objects and then build data and function around these objects. For example, consider the bike. If a bike were designed as a single machine, it would be seen as extremely complex and anything goes wrong, we have to check the whole machine. But if we broken down into constituent part such as wheels, pedals, engine, etc., then individual design item become easier. Like this, each part of our application is created independently, tested, and then assembled into final product. For example, consider student management system. If we maintain student details, staff details, student personal details, staff personal details, every object together, it will hard to maintain that. If we design each part, that is each object independently, we can handle easily, can test, modify and expand easily. So in object-oriented programming language, by using a class, we can represent the data and accessing that data by instantiating a class object. An object is an instance of a class. Class and objects are two main aspects of object-oriented programming. Here, by using class, we can represent the data. Here, these class represent the data of behavior of staff details. These class represent the data of behavior of student details. We can add more classes to represent the data of staff personal details, student personal details, etc. In runtime, we can create an instance of a class, that is object, to access that class members. The four basic principles of object-oriented programming are data abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Data abstraction is an act of representing only the essential things without including background details. For example, in online, when converting an image one type to another, we don't know what is happening in backend, but in our end, we get only results. Data encapsulation is a process of wrapping the data under code. For example, here, when creating an object for student detail class, this object will wrap, that is bind the member of the student detail class. Inheritance and polymorphism concepts I explained in individual video that's available in this tutorial series. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.